my name is Alison. Today I am going to talk about my neighborhood. Behind my house, there is a hotel. In front of my house, there is a dressmaker. Next to the dressmaker, there is a chair. Around, around the corner from my house, there is a ice cream shop. There is also a clothing store and a car repair shop. On the corner of my house, there is a pharmacy, a butcher shop, and a bookstore. My neighborhood is a nice and useful place to live. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.